Bonnie. Happy Wednesday! Oh my gosh, you guys, I feel like Black Friday is rolling out now in stages. So Laser Ship just arrived at my house. I did get the Santa-approved Bath & Body Works Purchase with Purchase box. I'm so excited. I'm going to open this up. I'm going to tell you how to get this one. Check it out. I got my first Thanksgiving-related injury. I was cutting a squash and I got my finger in the way. The squash survived though, so it's good. But, oh my gosh. So the box this year is a box and it's not a tote. Usually we get a tote bag for Christmas. I kind of like the box though. I don't know. There's something really like magical about the box. It's not super big. It's kind of cute. So we got the deal last Friday on the app, and this is a purchase with purchase, meaning that you have to spend $30 and then you have to spend an additional $30 for the box, and it's valued over $100. So you can't use like a coupon with this. It's not part of the buy three get three. It's like a separate deal. According to Bath & Body Works, these were in stores today and online tomorrow. I heard a couple of people say that some of the stores are putting these out till Friday though, so I'm not sure. But today is pretty much almost over anyway. I don't know how late the malls are open tonight, so I'm guessing that if you want one of these in store, you're probably going to have to get it Friday if you didn't get it today. But they will be online tomorrow. So I did order this online. I ordered 3 items. It was the buy 2, get 1 free the other day. And what I got is part of my purchase with purchase. Let me pull this out of here. I got... It's stuck, you guys. Let me rip this. Gosh, this thing does not want to come off. They put this on really good. This is the cardboard. I did get one of the new lavender vanilla in the sleep. I love these apothecary jars. This is my favorite aromatherapy. Aromatherapy, I don't know if it's going to be the best deal on the how does the pump work? On the buy 3 get 3, only because I'm thinking we're probably going to get a better aromatherapy deal around Body Care Day. Oh, that smells so good. I really like this one. Like I said, this is the lavender vanilla. So that's kind of one of the things you might want to think about tomorrow with the buy 3 get 3. I did get the Merry Cookie. This is the only Christmas cookie shower gel we have right now. Merry Cookie, by the way, is an exact dupe of the Christmas cookies. Wow, that smells good. We really need this in the full-size shower gel. That would be awesome. So far, it is not online. And then I got the Twisted Peppermint Shimmer Fizz. I'm so happy because we didn't have Twisted Peppermint last year in the Shimmer Fizz, so I did get one this year, so I was super excited about that. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh yeah, that smells really good. I love this in the Shimmer Fizz. This is really nice. That's strong, too. So, super excited that I got one of those. So the box. I almost don't want to open this. It's so pretty. I like the ribbon. They put a red ribbon on it. By the way, this is shipping separately from the $30 products. It comes in a separate box. The shipping was all goofy, you guys. So it didn't look like it was going to arrive today until this morning. It almost looked like the box was lost. Even when I called Bath & Body Works, the guy in customer service was a little bit confused. He was like, wow, the shipping code looked really weird. So don't worry if you ordered this on Friday. I think it should be coming. So that's all good news. So it's like this. And then how does this box open? Okay, there's like a top on it. So I want to be able to save this box because the box is super cute. Let's see if I can open it this way without ripping it. Okay, opened. So what it is you can open the top, check it out like this, and then you can save this box, which is kind of fun. So you get 9 items in the Santa box. The first item that we got is the Dahlia, and this is the Fine Fragrance Mist. I actually have one of these, so I probably will gift this to my mother-in-law. I'm actually sending her a big bottle. Oh my gosh, you guys, I can't spray with my finger. Oh, that smells so good. So Dahlia is Velvet Dahlia Petals, Crisp Pear, Praline Musk, and Whipped Tonka Bean. This one is amazing. I'm really impressed that they used Dahlia for the box, because this is definitely one of the really good products that they released this year. By the way, in the box, we did get this little card, and it says your order may arrive in multiple packages at no extra shipping cost to you. And then basically it says, did you receive a damaged product? Contact Bath and Body Works. Just kind of a little card. No coupon though. The next thing we got, oh, I'm so excited about this. Check it out. We got a 'Tis the Season in the foaming hand soap. The doorbell. So, my huge Roaring 20s collection, Bath and Body Works, just arrived via UPS. I will do that collection later tonight. I usually don't do 4 Bath and Body Works videos in one day, but it's a special day. So I'm going to do it, okay? So I will unbox that entire box of Bath and Body Works so you guys can see going into the sale tomorrow. Then I'll start reviewing all that stuff. But getting back to the Santa box, I got the 'Tis the Season Gentle Foaming Hand Soap. This one is amazing, you guys. 'Tis the Season. One of my favorite holiday scents of all time. This is the red apple, ground cinnamon, and clove. It is absolutely wonderful. So I'm so glad we got that in the Santa box. We also got, oh, this is pretty, a crushed candy cane single wick in the Kate's Christmas collection. And look at how pretty the pink wax is. This is absolutely adorable. Oh, that smells so good. Crushed candy cane is amazing. I thought this was going to be red. It's actually pink. Look how pretty that is. That's gorgeous. I love the design on these now. We got a cute little Santa pocket back holder. Santa hat. It's not Santa. It's just his hat. And then we got the Dahlia shower gel. I'm going to actually leave this one sealed. Is this sealed? Oh, it's not even sealed. I thought it was sealed. Let me smell this. Oh, that smells so good. The Dahlia shower gel. We got the crushed candy cane hand lotion. This is actually the hand cream, not the hand. It's called hand cream, not hand lotion. That is super cute though. I love these. They're super cute collectibles for Bath and Body Works. That's adorable. And then we got the Dahlia body lotion. I actually don't have the body lotion, so that's kind of exciting. That smells really good. So what's neat about this, if you got it and you didn't want Dahlia or you have a dupe of it, this would make a really nice Christmas gift for someone. So you got 3 products there that you could kind of box up and do as a Christmas gift. And then we got, oh my gosh, look at how cute this is. It's the crushed candy cane kind of limited edition collectible pocket bag, which is super cute. And then I'm so happy this year, the candle, the full-size candle we got is the 'Tis the Season, and this matches the Holiday Traditions collection. Oh gosh, that smells so good. I have a 'Tis the Season candle, but you know what? I'm so happy to get it in the collectible jar for the Holiday Traditions. Oh my gosh, this one smells so fresh and so good. And then, of course, we have the box. So that is super exciting. I am loving this box this year. I feel like everything I got, I definitely will either use or gift. So I'm super happy with the box / tote this year. This was a super good deal for me. Like I said, it is valued. I mean, they go by retail, but it's like, they say it's valued at over $100. If you go by the sale prices, it's probably valued at, like, 14 for the candle, 10 for the single wick. So that's 24, 30. And then say if you did like half price on the rest of these products, I would say, if all the stuff is on sale, it's valued at about like $60. But still, that's a really good deal because you're getting 50% off what you would pay for this normally. And you're getting the collectible stuff, which I think is really awesome. So anyway, that is the Santa box. Again, purchase with purchase, $30 you buy. The box is $30. In stores today, online tomorrow. I don't know how long these are going to be around. They may sell out quickly. So I will be back later with the giant Roaring 20s collection because I want to get that out to you by tomorrow. I'll see you then. Bye-bye.